Does LLC debt affect personal credit? No. LLC debt does not usually affect your personal credit because an LLC is a separate legal entity. This separation protects your personal assets and credit from the business's obligations, as long as you keep business and personal finances separate. However, there are exceptions. If you personally guarantee a business loan or use your personal credit to secure financing for the LLC, then that debt can appear on your personal credit report. In that case, if the LLC defaults, your personal credit score could be impacted. To maintain protection, it's important to build business credit in your LLC's name by opening accounts, paying bills on time, and using a dedicated business bank account. This helps the LLC qualify for financing without relying on your personal credit. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and get the EIN and tools you need to start building business credit. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.